Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about sorting arrays. So we all know sorting means arranging elements either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, so here array is a collection of elements, okay, collection of similar types of elements. So I want to sort these elements, okay. So I want to arrange these elements either in ascending order or in descending order. Then you need to use one function. Okay, so here sorting means putting elements in order sequence. Order sequence is any sequence that has an order corresponding to elements like numerical or alphabetical or ascending or descending. Okay, so if you want to arrange the array elements, numpy array elements, you need to use one function, that is sort. Okay, so here sort is a inbuilt function in numpy. Okay, so you can use sort function to arrange the elements of arrays. Okay, so here see the example. Import numpy as np, so you need to use the numpy while to creating arrays or to use the sort function. Okay, so after that I am creating one array. So array name is equals to np dot array of 3201. Okay, these are the array elements. So if you observe, these are not sorted, not in order, not in sequence. Okay, so I want to arrange these elements in some order. Okay, so if you specify like this, np dot sort of arr, so you will get 0 1 2 3. Okay, so these elements are arranged in ascending order. Okay, so now I want to sort these elements into descending order. So then you need to specify axis is equals to 1. So in this case, the array elements are written 3 2 1 0 like this. So you can sort array elements either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay, so you need to use access parameter inside the sort. arr comma access is equals to 1. By default access is equals to 0. So that's why the array elements are sorted in ascending order. So if you want to arrange those elements in descending order, you need to use axis equals to 1. Okay, so you can sort array of strings. Okay, you can sort strings as well. So in this example we have sorted integer values. You can sort strings as well. So here I am creating one array with the string data type. So here banana, cherry and apple. So I want to sort these elements. So here the sorting is based on alphabetical order. Okay, so here a b c, first apple will come, and after that banana, and after that cherry, a b c like this. So these elements are sorted based on alphabetical order. Okay, and you can sort boolean values as well. So boolean has only two possible values, either true or false. Okay, so here I am creating one array with boolean values true, false, true. Okay, so I want to sort these elements. We all know true means 1, false means 0. Okay, so if you want to sort these elements, you will get 0 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. So that's why true false true will become false true true like this. Okay, so here np dot sort of array name. Okay, so next, sorting a two-dimensional array. So up to now we have seen one dimensional array sorting. So let's consider about two dimensional array sorting. So if you use the sort method on two dimensional array, both arrays will be sorted. Okay, so both arrays will be sorted. So arr is equals to np dot array of, so here it is one dimensional, it is one more one dimensional. So if the array contains two one dimensional is known as two dimensional. Okay, so I want to sort these elements. So you will get 2 3 4 and next 0 1 2. So this particular array is sorted and this particular array is sorted. These two both are not sorted, like 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this will not happen because the array elements are sorted for both arrays, okay, separately. So in this way you can sort so here I sorted the integer values. You can sort string values or boolean values like this. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.